AC sucks, only works up front. Gonna fix that so it only works up front. With some fucking shit that I just got. You know, it's like, it's a big fucking van. I don't know what it's like. Let me see. Let's see if this is really fucking light, because I don't even know. So it's almost like 9 feet of space that I don't need to heat. Yeah, fucking heat. I mean, cool. And I only gotta do about 4 feet, 4.5. But anyways, I'll fucking put so much goddamn money into this fucking thing. I don't wanna fix the AC totally, even though it works. It just doesn't work in the back. So I'm in Home Depot parking lot. And, you know, I was gonna fucking thinking of all different types of ways to make this happen. And I was like, oh, I can use zip walls. And I just didn't want to spend the money on that shit. So, from here, let me close my door. So, from this bracket right below behind the store, one of the double doors on the passenger side, I got a piece of fucking plastic. I was looking for plastic stock, but it was like $10 a foot or some shit for whatever I wanted, which was crazy. This was like $3. This is for tile. And anyways, if I just make it a little bit longer, I had a rope up last year. It worked all right for a little bit. I got sick of it. If I make it a little bit longer, I can make it arch. I'm gonna drape a fucking $3 piece of plastic, and that fucking better fucking solve my AC for the fucking summer. I'll tell you, because it's fucking. When I'm on the highway, it gets going, but fucking, it's fucking 100 degrees back here. It's fucking 100 degrees out there. Ugh. It's in the hundreds. So, you know, we're making it happen with Red Bull and fucking, yeah, make it work. Oh, look at that. It's gonna fuck up. It did it. It jammed its ass right up in there. Oh my god. I'm a fucking genius. Oh, I impress myself sometimes. Oh yeah. This is an impressive moment. Fucking, instead of the golden arch, the white arch. It's gonna fucking, oh man, it's gonna work perfect. The dog's gonna be so happy. Fucking fix that shit. For what? I don't sit back here. Why am I gonna fix the AC back here? I don't fucking sit back here. I keep fucking. I got a remote for my radio. I ain't even fucking used it. That's how fucking far back I am. I don't sit back here. Who knows? I might now with the AC working. I don't even know. We're gonna make it work. Let's see how it works. It's a high grade fucking wallboard. Yeah, so I need to do this for right now, anyways. It's like fucking $10. Alright, do it. Let's start this bitch. Let's get that going. Oh, she does stop. Yeah. Plastic doohickey cutters. Plastic doohickey cutters. Lower guy. Lower guy. Fucking. Bitch. At this point in life, I don't give a fuck. Alright, so freaking and cracking already at this point. I'm totally alright. I know it looks like Miranda. You know what? We got it done. Oh yeah, it feels better in here already. Woo! Hopefully I don't do shit else.